Hello guys. While I was programming with this Pycharm IDE, I'm just importing the pandas library, reading the data. I want to print out the shape of the file, how many rows and how many columns basically. So here, while I was running this program, it says it's giving me a good error. That error name says I'm not that IDE is not able to import the module name called pandas. But if I go into my Python terminal, Python version 3.6, I'm successfully able to import the pandas library. So what is wrong? Why it is not able to import the pandas library over here in this IDE? So we can say that this is the issue with the interpreter. So to solve this issue with kind of interpreter, let's go and check with the interpreter first. Go to Pycharm, then preferences, and then you see something called project, and beneath that you see the project interpreter tab. In this tab, it says it's using Python 2.7.0, and if it has contained Python, that error should not be given to me. Yeah, there is no pandas library over here, so you can solve the issue by adding the pandas library over here. Yes, just click it, just install the package, but I already have the Python 3.6 version, so I will not go with this, but rather than I'll choose the Python 3.6 version, and it contains pandas. Let me verify once. Yeah, it contains the panda. Just apply and okay. Let's rerun the same program over here, and it should give me the dimensions, rows into number of columns. Yeah, so this solves the problem of library. So in this way you can add or remove any kind of libraries using the interpreter settings in this Pycharm IDE. Thank you guys.